Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com.
The topic is training and placement profile. Abstract. The application developed for the training and placement after college for maintaining the student database and the placement process. It helps the students to provide the profiles to the training and placement cell of the institute and then update their respective profiles to know about the companies coming for the on-campus, off-campus, pool and the group categories of campus interviews. This system can be used as an application for the training and placement portal of the college to manage the student information with regards to placement. Students login should be able to upload their information and then get day by day process. Data flow diagram. The data flow diagram can be split into the 0 to 3 levels. First we can go into the level 0. The placement cell, it can be stored into the student database and management details. Next we can go to the level 1 process. Student and then admin can be logged in after then move to the our process. When the admin process, it can be included into the curator for the particular student and then student history. It can be stored into the placement database. Then move to the level 2 process. Now the new students are registration into the student database and then login to go to the level 3 process. Now students are successfully registration after going to edit our personal details and the professional details. The students are put into the this number of areas into the our databases. It can be separated into the history of areas and then move to the placement process. Further, we can implement it in the suggestion boxes. It can be used into the student to update into the our query or any requirements to get day by day process for the admin. The suggestion box database was stored in the complaint table and then placed details are stored into the placement database. Let's going to implement our placement. First one, new students can be registered into the registration process. The user can type our name and then type password. Submit registration to get the student registration and then login successfully. The student portal categories of academic details and personal details. Finally, it can suggestion box. The student can enter into the first academic details. Enter our name and then ID. Select the pay, batch, department, current year and then type email ID, register. Next, upload our resume. Upload the resume into the management process. Next, the student can enter into the personal details. The academic details can be finished, then move to the personal details. Enter your name and then ID and then type father name and then contact number to submit our personal details into the TMP management process. Next, check the placement arrangement details. The company details can be listed into the drop-down list. The student can be selected into the updates. Entering process. First, we can select aptitude. The aptitude process can be included into the many lines, many hyperlinks to move to the preferred site. When the group discussion, it can be implemented into the following sites to can be go through into our before in our interview process. It is a very helpful into the students. And then finally, student put the suggestion box suggestions to post into the admin process. The suggestions are posted successfully, and then student can be selected into do's and don'ts for the interview process. It can be very useful into the our interviews days. And the interview types for following into the interview process. Finally, a student can be logged out. Next, we are going to admin process. The admin can particular username and password to log in the site. The admin type the username and then password. After that, login. The admin process can be separated into the three types. First one, student details, and then placement details, after that management details. The student details are included into the student ID with history of arrears and number of arrears, and then CGPA, after that key skills. The admin next, we can allocate it into the aptitude and the GD into the change our day-to-day process, and then allocate new company into the particular database. The company details are posted successfully. And then admin can be moved into the staff details and then staff management process. The new staffs are allocated into the after can be submitted to the data can be stored in our database. The data is saved, and then new staff details into the particular locations. We can enter in the any staff ID into get our data into the database. The admin can be maintained into the student details and the management process after can placement details. Further, we can saw into the student suggestion boxes and then complete our request. Thank you.